Okay, friends, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the book. Okay, so today's activity, we can do different ways. If we were at school, we would typically mix up a cool concoction. I didn't have enough bottles of shaving cream to send everybody, so we're going to kind of do it differently this year, unless you have that at home. So typically, we make puffy paint, and we use the sheet, and it says, my snowman melted because. So you're going to tell me why your snowman melted down here, and you kind of base that off the book if you want, or you can think of another reason that your snowman might have gotten hot and therefore melted. So in order to mix up puffy paint, what you would use is glue, a bottle of glue, and shaving cream. And I can send out the recipe that I would typically use. A lot of times, though, I just kind of mix it up and swirl it around so I think it's a good texture for me. Again, I didn't have that, so if you want to use shaving cream and glue, and you can mix it up and make puffy paint. Or you can use a white crayon and draw with that on the paper. Or you can use white paint and you can paint on here. So typically we make a melted snowman. So I just kind of leave that up to what the kids want to do. So boys and girls, you can make your melted snowman look however you want. And your families will let you know how you're going to do that. And then you make your melted snowman. And a lot of times we encourage them to add things like, what's missing on the snowman? It melted, but it still has two eyes and it still has a nose. It might just be melted in a puddle, but it's probably still there somewhere. So you can get really creative with this and make this look so neat, like your melted snowman is laying there. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. And then the second part, like I said, was to write my snowman melted because, and then write it here. Okay. If you use the puffy paint and glue families, what we have them do while it's wet is we have them add the pieces of the snowman to it so that it'll kind of dry with it. And it's already has glue in it, so it can glue. But if you draw on it, it's same thing. You would then draw in your eyes and your nose and your mouth and any scarves or arms or legs, whatever your snowman might have had. And if you decide to paint, you would of course need to let it probably dry, or you could try to put it in the wet paint, but that might be kind of messy. So that's up to you. You can either let it dry and do it later or tomorrow and add the pieces of the snowman that are missing. Okay, so that one's that. Then I have, this is kind of a different one. It's the same and different, and we kind of do this just, it's kind of like a little fun activity, but it also kind of tells us if they can see the differences in between these two snow pictures. So you have two snowmen, and right here you write in there, and you can help them. What is the same about the snowmen? And you could even have them circle the same things in red, the things that the snowmen have that are the same. And then down below it says, what is the different about the snowmen? So maybe you might choose green or purple, and you can have them circle things that might be different about each snowman. Okay, and you can also write it in the boxes. And those are our activities for today. Keep practicing with this letter. What letter was this, boys and girls? The letter W. And what does the W say? Wah, wah, wah. Okay, so continue practicing that. And let's practice counting to 20 before we go. Are you ready to help me? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice job, friends. Have a great day.